So does that mean you're going to, unfortunately, kill mayonnaise?
I know. It's not essential.
Okay.
And if I had to, live without potato salad, I could make a German potato salad.
Okay, that's cold.
I don't want to kill it. It's like
It's dead.
you didn't give me a choice.
It's dead.
If I could,
Look it in his face. It's dead.
if you had said marry, kiss, neighbor, I would have that's my neighbor.
Okay, hear me out. Sriracha mayo, garlic mayo.
Delicious.
You could throw anything in it. And it keeps it spicy. She keeps it interesting. Mayo shows up at your door and she's a different girl every day. I change my hair a lot. I can appreciate that. You know what I mean?
Mustard is also a different girl.
Which is why she got kissed. You know who's not a different girl every day? Ketchup. Ketchup is always ketchup.
So what I'm hearing you say is that in your long-term relationship, stability, intimacy, understanding each other, not important.
It is important.
We're going for different every day.
I just need you to look different. Spice it up for me. Keep it interesting.
Are you listening? Because
spice it up for me. How you doing?